Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. And we're starting with euro-dollar pair with Din Lao. EURUSD is in a corrective phase, trading from the lower area of the psychological level 1.0950 1.10. As a result, the quote has dropped more than 100 bips, which fits within the clinical component of the upward trend. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI technical indicator is moving in the lower area of 3050. However, it touched the oversold level, indicating an excessive volume of short positions in the euro. The euro may reach the 1.0800 level, and the corrective phase remains intact. However, based on the technical signs of the euro's oversold conditions in the short term, selling volumes may eventually fall, which, in theory, will lead to an end of the corrective cycle. In terms of complex indicator analysis, the volume of long positions may likely rise in the short term. Meanwhile, the bearish bias persists in the intraday period. Here is Laurie Bailey with pound sterling dollar pair forecast. Let's have a look. After going throughout a difficult situation yesterday, with a broad retreat of investors from risk, the British pound managed to hold its ground at Tuesday's closing level. This resilience was likely due to optimistic PMI data. The manufacturing PMI increased from 50.9 to 51.8, and the composite PMI improved from 52.3 to 52.7. However, today's strong data from the US could push European currencies lower. GDP for the second quarter is expected to grow from 1.4% to 2.0% in June. Orders for durable goods might show an increase of 0.3%. We expect the pound to fall towards the target level of 1.2755 by the start of the next week. On the 4-hour chart, yesterday's weak convergence also helped the pound remain within the consolidation range. We are now seeing a repeated breakout from this consolidation, which will likely to be the final one. The modern oscillator briefly moved into bullish territory yesterday, which appears to be a false move. The first target for the pound is 1.2847. What about NASDAQ 100 index? Arif Makmur explains. With the appearance of deviations between the price movement of the NASDAQ 100 index and the awesome oscillator indicator, on the 4-hour chart, in the near future NDX has the potential to be corrected and strengthening upwards to test the resistance level of 19,697. If this level succeeds in holding back the rate of strengthening correction, and as long as it does not succeed in breaking above the level of 19,922, then NDX has the potential to continue weakening again and will weaken again down to the level of 18,813 as the main target. And if momentum and volatility support, then the level 180.2 will be the next target to be aimed for. That's all for today. See you online soon.